Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into the Roblox account that owns or administrates the experience. Once signed in, go to Create, pick My Creations, then select Games and click the exact experience you want to change. Make sure to open the Servers or Private Servers panel right away. This is where instances and paid VIP servers are listed. Once there, scan the list for the specific server name or ID you intend to remove, because the next steps act on that selection. Now that you see the server list, locate the precise entry by name or ID and click its Manage or Options menu. You're doing this to avoid deleting the wrong instance. Once the options open, choose Delete, Revoke, or Remove Private Server depending on the interface label. The command removes access and stops billing for paid slots. Make sure to read the confirmation prompt. It explains what is removed. If you're removing an owned private server, you may need to confirm payment refunds or finish by accepting the confirmation prompt. Roblox will process the deletion and usually display a success message. After that, refresh the servers panel and verify the server no longer appears and that any recurring charges are stopped. If the server still shows up, make sure you refresh, clear your browser or client cache, and log out then back in to refresh permissions. Sometimes the interface lags. If problems persist, gather the server ID and contact Roblox support so they can remove stuck instances or billing records.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.